So I was looking through DeFi lemma and I found 3 big DeFi projects without a token. And in crypto, when we hear big projects without a token, what comes to mind is Airdrop. So this video is on 3 big projects without a token that has confirmed they will launch a token and an airdrop, and also how to farm this airdrop. And it's for your education and not financial advice. The first one is GammaSwap. GammaSwap is designed to deal with the problem of impermanent loss encountered by liquidity providers. So if you have been active in crypto in the last cycle, you should be familiar with the term impermanent loss. Basically, it is this. When you go to Uniswap and provide liquidity to, say, the USDC ETH pool, your intention is to earn yield from the transaction fee. It is great, but the problem is impermanent loss. In other words, if the price of ETH goes up or down, you'll be making an impermanent loss. And if you choose to remove your liquidity at any of this price, other than the price you provided liquidity at, you'll be making a permanent loss. So, as a liquidity provider, you look for pools whose yield in transaction fee is higher than the impermanent loss. Now, what GammaSwap is doing is providing a solution to this. Basically, what GammaSwap is doing is to take away this impermanent loss. How this is done is, instead of you providing liquidity directly on your favorite DEX like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, you do it through GammaSwap. Now, what GammaSwap does extra is that after the liquidity has been provided, it hedges against the loss by taking a long, short, or straddle position. So when you eventually take out your liquidity, you are making double gain instead of a gain and a loss. GammaSwap raised over $2 million in their first seed round, and they have over $450,000 in TVL, even though they have temporarily paused for a deployment and full protocol launch. Now, I personally stopped providing liquidity on DeFi protocols because of this impermanent loss. But once GammaSwap is fully redeployed, I'll go back to providing liquidity, and this is also how you are qualified for the airdrop. Now, let's look at number 2, which is Skydrome. Skydrome is the first and the biggest DEX on Scroll. Scroll is a layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum. The way we have Uniswap as the first and the biggest DEX on Ethereum, and PancakeSwap as the first and the biggest DEX on BNB Smart Chain, Skydrome is the first and the biggest DEX on Scroll, and it was launched 3 days after Scroll mainnet and attained a TVL of $1.3 million within 2 weeks. Now, if you go back and look at Uniswap, the Uniswap token, Uni, was airdropped to Uniswap users, and at the top of the 2021 bull season, the value of that airdrop was worth over $17,000. And the PancakeSwap token Cake grew by over 8,000% in the last bull season. So for Sky token, which is a Skydrome token, you can actually get it now for free by swapping tokens and providing liquidity and exploring other features on Skydrome. But the Sky token you will receive is not yet tradable until its official launch. But think of what the value could be when you consider similar tokens like Cake and the Unit token. And if you want me to do a live video to show you how all this is done, give this video a like and also leave me a comment in the comment section. If I receive up to 1,000 likes, I will do the live video. The third platform is called Caviar. Caviar is a fractional NFT marketplace, as well as a place where you can put your NFT to work and earn money for you. Let me try to explain it, and let me know if I do a good job in explaining this. If you look at the Bored Ape Yacht Club, its floor price is 38, which is approximately $67,000. If you own this NFT, it is probably in your wallet, not earning you any income. What you can do is pair it with Ethereum, ETH, and create a liquidity pool on Caviar. Anyone can come and trade the fractions of this NFT, and you earn the transaction fee on them. According to Caviar, your APR can go as high as 250%. On the other hand, let's say you want to buy the whole Bored Ape Club NFT, but you don't have the whole 38. You can choose to buy it bit by bit on Caviar if it is listed until you have purchased the whole NFT. And the good thing again is that you can provide liquidity with the fractions you have bought and earn passive income on it while you wait to purchase more. Caviar doesn't have a token yet, and they might be airdropping one soon, and you can get your hands on it by just partaking in all these activities on Caviar. Guys, always check my description for more information and other goodies. I will see you guys in the next video.